In front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by opening Settings and tapping on More connectivity options right away. Then scroll to Heat Printing. Select System Printing Service or Xiaomi Home. If you want, you can also download any service you wish from Play Store and it will appear over here. Then click on yours. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way, so just make sure this switcher is blue. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect though, then enable print service and wait for a tiny icon to appear at the bottom. Click on it, select Add Printer, and check out those two options. If your printer supports Wi-Fi Direct printing, use gray switcher next to it and hit Allow in the pop-up. Then tap on Find Wi-Fi Direct printers and let your smartphone search for yours. You can also click on Add Printer by IP address, input it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!